Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. So in this video I'm going to share some maths Olympiad worksheets which the kids can practice. So here are some sums, mental maths or Olympiad. This will be very helpful for that. So the first one, add and subtract as given below. So first number is 30. So plus 10, she has to write the answer here, 40 plus 12, 52 minus 18. Then plus 20, the answer which we get, we have to add 26 plus 26. The answer which we get will be minus 10. You have to do minus 10 to this answer. Next, minus 24 and reach here. So this is quite a complicated sum. So just for practice I'm giving her. Let's see if she can do it. Also, the kids can use a rough paper for solving it. For example, if they want to solve 40 plus 12, so some kids know the vertical addition, so they can just write it on the rough paper and do the addition and write the answer here. So that is also perfectly fine. So it's just for a practice of addition and subtraction. The more they practice, the more they will become used to it, and they can also do it fast, speed calculations. So next, again it's the same, 64 minus 30 plus 20. The answer which we get, we have to add 25. Next, subtract 36. Next, subtract 28. The answer which we get, add 38. Next, add 27 and you will reach the final answer. The same way, I have just used circles instead of squares. So 77 minus 10, whatever answer we get, we have to add this number which is 20. Answer will be here, minus 30 answer, plus 40 answer, minus 50 and the final answer. Next one is again the same but only in the different direction. So 45 plus 15 minus 25 plus 35 minus 45 and plus 55. So it's a little bit, the kids will find it a little bit difficult in the beginning, but once they get used to it, they will find it very easy and a little different way for them. Otherwise, always making them practice in a vertical way, giving them sums will be a little boring. So just trying to make a different layout for them for addition and subtraction. Next one, how many triangles are there in this given figure? So they have to count the number of triangles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see any other triangles? I think it's 5. So like that, they have to see the answer. Next one, how many rectangles are there in the given figure? So 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle and the small rectangle in the intersection. So it is 1, 2, 3 rectangles. Next one, how many triangles are there in the given figure? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think 6. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Again, there's a different figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, the bigger one also. So like this, the kids have to find the number of shapes in it. How many squares are there in the given figure? So one big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 squares. So this was some simple sums. Now let's see next set of questions. So here there is a word problem I have given for addition and subtraction. So it is like Peter has 26 red pencils, 18 green pencils and 15 blue pencils. How many pencils does he have altogether? So she has to add 26 plus 18 plus 15. So it's very important for kids to know whether they have to add here or subtract. So you have to show them the words which will come all together, or in how many pencils does he have in total. So there are different words every time in the question, so the kids have to get the practice of word problems. So that's why I've added this sum here. If you join two squares, what you get is a rectangle. So she has to write a rectangle here. Which of the following is equal to a number between 80 and 90? So this is a very tricky. They have to add all the four questions, all the four options, and then check whether which answer has a number between 80 to 90. So this is again a type of different sum for addition practice. So they will add all these options and get the answer and then check which number will come between these two. Which of the following is the heaviest? Balloon, birthday cap, pencil, banana, and I think it will be banana. At which place is the word trumpet? Is there a vowel? So at which place in the word trumpet is there a vowel? So where can we find a vowel? We can find the vowel in the third place and in the sixth place. So here in the option there is no third, so it will be sixth. So like that the kids will get confused here. So you can just let them know that there are two vowels in this, but they have not given you third option, so you can just select the sixth one. Next one. You are given the names of four animals: horse, cat, dog, mouse. The correct ascending order in their sizes will be, first one will be mouse. So 4, 3, ascending order, smaller to bigger. So 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1. 4, 2, 3, 1. So mouse, cat, dog, and horse in ascending order in their sizes. So again, this is a little tricky for them, but they will enjoy doing it. So here I have made some shapes: circle, triangle, square, rectangle, and I have written some numbers. So here are the questions according to that. The smallest number inside a circle is. So first they have to see the circles and check which is the smallest number. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. So the smallest is 27. So they have to write 27. The greatest number inside a rectangle. So rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4. So greatest will be 93. The smallest number inside a triangle. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. Smallest number in the triangle will be 90. The smallest number inside a square. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Smallest will be 65. So this is a very good visual activity also. They have to check and they have to see the smallest and greatest. And the greatest number inside a circle, again the same. The smallest number inside a rectangle. Arrange the numbers in the circle in ascending order. So how many circles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they have to arrange the numbers inside this in ascending order. So first will be 36, first will be 27, 36, 63, 72 and 77. And last question, arrange the numbers in the triangles in descending order. So same for triangle. So how many triangles first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 triangles. So in descending means bigger number: 99, 96, 93, 91 and 90. So this is quite fun and interesting and engaging for kids. So do try this out. And the last worksheet for this. If you count backwards from 99, which number will come at the 7th place? So backwards from 99 will be 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92. So the answer will be 92. Which of the following is not a triangle? So this one is not a triangle. So you will take it here. Which of the following is not a sphere? Earth, ball, globe and wooden log. So the answer will be wooden log because it is not a sphere. In a class there are 62 children. If 26 are boys, how many are girls? So the word problem will be subtraction. They have to subtract 62 minus 26. and get the answer and select the correct option. Which number will come at the 7th place in the sequence? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20. So the answer will be 20. So the 7th position number is 20. Which number will come at the 7th place in the sequence? So this is the first place, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th will be 20. Which of the following is not equal to 28 plus 26? So for this, they have to first add 28 plus 26 and get the answer. Next, they will just add and subtract, do the sums and check which is not equal to this number. So this is again a very good example for addition and subtraction the kids can practice. What do you get on subtracting the smallest two-digit number from the greatest two-digit number? So which is the greatest two-digit number is 99. Smallest is 10. So the answer will be 89. So you will get 89 here. This is very interesting. I really found it so much fun to do and my daughter really enjoys such sums. So let's see how she will do it. And also if you try, please do share with me on Facebook and Instagram. It will be really helpful for me to share more of such videos if I see that you people are interested in these videos. Next one. How many two-digit numbers are there? So we have to two-digit numbers are from 10 to 99. So we can subtract minus 1, minus 9, 100. We have to subtract 10 from 100. So the answer will be 90. So this is also again a tricky one because they have to 99 minus 10 is, sorry, not minus 10. So from 10 to 99 are the two-digit numbers. So we have to do minus 9 here and minus 1 here for 100. So 100 minus 10 is 90. So answer will be 90. The number that comes after 51 is the same as the number that comes after 51. So while solving such word problems, ask the kids to first solve till the half question. So the number that comes after 51 is 52 is the same as the number that comes after number that comes after, sorry, it's not after, it's before, is the same as the number that comes before 53. The answer will be 53. Next, a balloon seller had 66 balloons. 5 balloons burst, means 66 minus 5. And he sold, first you will get this answer 61. And he sold 28 balloons. How many balloons were left with him? So again 61 minus 28. So these are the word problems which need a lot of practice. A child writes all letters A to Z of the English alphabet twice. How many letters does he write in all? So A to Z are how many letters? 26. So if he writes 2 times, so 26 plus 26, 52. So the answer will be 52. Find the third letter in the word forget. So the third letter is R. So here first solve the half question. In which word does this letter come at the 5th place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we don't get an R here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get an R here. So this is the tick mark. Which of the following is the greatest? So again, addition sums. They have to calculate all the additions, all these 4 additions, and then get the answer and then check which one is the greatest, A, B, C or D. Subtract the smallest number from the biggest number and choose the answer. So first they have to find the smallest number, which is 34, and then the biggest number or the greatest number is 93. So they have to calculate 93 minus 34. So like this, these are some Olympiad questions for kids to practice. If you like such videos, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. I will try to do more of such videos. Thank you.